Learning Objective 6 from Section 3.5 is to describe how changes in sample size and confidence level will change the margin of error and the width of the confidence interval. Let's look at this first example. Select the answer with the words in order that correctly fill in the blanks. When constructing a confidence interval, if the level of confidence increases, the margin of error will blank and the confidence interval will be blank. A larger sample size will improve the precision of the confidence interval, therefore the margin of error will blank and the confidence interval will be blank. Okay, so let's talk about these different things. Remember that a confidence interval gives us a range of likely values for the population parameter. If we want to be more confident of capturing the population parameter, then our interval needs to be wider so that it will contain more values. If we collect more data, then we can be more precise, which means that we don't have to include as many values. We can have a narrower interval. That's what a more precise estimate is. So if we increase the level of confidence, then the margin of error gets bigger, which makes the confidence interval wider because we are including more likely values. If the sample size gets bigger, then we can be more precise, which means that the margin of error will be smaller and the confidence interval then will be narrower. Let's do that in red. Next example, the manager at a manufacturing company would like to estimate the proportion of items produced on his shift that are defective. For each set of confidence intervals below, circle the confidence interval that is wider. Assume all other factors remain constant. So a 95% confidence interval or a 99% confidence interval. As we just stated, a higher confidence level means that we need to include more likely values in order to be confident of capturing the parameter. So the 99% confidence interval is wider than the 95% confidence interval. How about a confidence interval based on a sample of size n equals 150 versus a confidence interval based on a sample of size n equals 75? Also, as we just talked about, the confidence interval will become narrower as our sample size increases because as we collect more data, we can be more precise in our estimates. So the wider interval is going to be the one based on a smaller sample size.